Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix duplicate username at login or sign in screen in Windows 10 or 11. So click on Start, Settings. Now here click on Accounts. Now click on Sign in options. Now scroll down and here the option Use my sign in info to automatically finish setting up after an update. So guys, you have to turn off this setting. Just you have to turn off this setting. Now close and restart. So this is the easy and simple way to fix and resolve duplicate username at login or sign in screen in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not.